Shout out. Shout out everyone. Ate Gingy, shout out. Team RCC, shout out sis. Ayan. Tapos na si Dodong. Ako naman. Ayan guys. Wait lang. Miss Jane Vlog, shout out. Hello guys. Ayan. Kakatapos lang ni Dodong mag-live. Live tayo habang tulog si Madam. Tulog si Madam kaya magla-live ako guys. Shout out. Patamsak naman guys. Patamsak po. Tamsak guys. Thank you. Galing kayo sa live ni Dodong.